Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change gender in Wattpad. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to Wattpad application in your mobile phone. And okay guys, here in Wattpad homepage, okay, go to profile picture on the upper right side on your screen. And after that, okay, click the gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, click account settings. And okay guys, here in account settings, okay, you can see the gender. Okay, you'll have to do is click gender. And okay guys, my gender is set into he. And okay, you can change it to she, or you can change it by they or them. And okay guys, that's it. Your gender are changed. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.